viewers, breaking news coming in. India has shown Pakistan its place once again. This time it is on the cricket pitch. India have defeated Pakistan by 7 wickets in the Asia Cup clash in Dubai that was happening after Pakistan was left battered on the battlefield. Remember, India have now decimated Pakistan on the cricket pitch as well, giving a bloody nose to Pakistan as they limped on to yet another defeat against India on the global stage. That big breaking news coming in at the moment. 131 for 3 is what India have made. All right, I've got Karishma, my colleague, joining us from Dubai. I've also got Nilesh and Kritika joining us from here in India. First to you, Karishma. Finally, we've got something to celebrate about. Indian fans, I'm sure, will be ecstatic with this victory against Pakistan.
Well, yes, absolutely. The Indian fans are very, very happy. This is what they wanted. They wanted a one-sided win as far as India versus Pakistan was concerned, and that's exactly what they have got. Some of the disappointed Pakistan fans here as well. I'm going to try and speak to some of the Indian fans as well. So what would you want to say about the match today?
Emphatic win.
Emphatic win, and it was also Captain Suryakumar Yadav's birthday, and there were a lot of posters as well wherein, that were made. I remember one that said Dubai Heat cannot stop Sky, and it did not stop Sky. Even Abhishek Sharma played his part in the innings. More and more fans coming in here. We will try and, of course, speak to them as well and understand from them how their experience was. So what would you say about the match today? Suryakumar Yadav's birthday. We won the match.
Happy birthday to Suryakumar Yadav. India played, of course, fantastic.
The birthday gift for the entire country.
Of course, 100%.
100% birthday gift to the country is what the fans here are saying. The India flag, if you can see right here, so what would you say? Everyone was saying कि थोड़ा competition होना चाहिए, पर वो भी नहीं हुआ, one-sided.
India! It was absolutely one-sided game. It was as expected. Looking at the exposure, looking at the Indian strength, batting strength, we all expected.
What would you say about the match today? You seem in a very happy mood. Courtesy the Indian team.
It was a great match, but it was one-sided.
Yeah.
So we expected the match to be better from the Pakistan side, but though it was very good. We had a very good time.
Expected better from the Pakistan side is what the Indian fans are saying here. Even when we, shot with the Pakistan fans before this match, the Indian fans said only one thing, कि थोड़ा सा competition दे देना यार, इतना easy मत रखना, and that's exactly what's happened here in Dubai. It's been an easy win.
All right, viewers, of course, we are getting in reactions from Dubai. This is, something that people have been wanting, a one-sided victory for India. Go across to Nilesh, our colleague who's joining us from Thane. Nilesh, fans are ecstatic, and they're ecstatic because this victory comes against Pakistan. They're saying this is how we wanted India to win, a one-sided victory to show Pakistan its place in cricket as well.
Well, it's absolutely, and the results are somewhat much anticipated. This was highly expected by the citizens here in India, and which is why not only the playing 11 but the entire nation is celebrating this victory. And people joining me are from Thane, and you can see the cheering, the flag that they are holding speaks a volume of their happiness that they currently share along with the playing 11 members. It is not just Vande Mataram but also cheering to the Indian cricket players. सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, विवादों में रहा है पूरा मैच, लेकिन अब जो नतीजा सामने आया उससे कितना ज्यादा खुश हैं? एक तरफा रहा पूरा मैच?
यस, पूरा मैच एक तरफा रहा, और मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर था वो हमने जो किया था, पुलवामा के जो हमले में हमारे लोग जो मारे गए थे, उसका जो बदला था वो सिंदूर ऑपरेशन से तो हमने लिया ही था, लेकिन आज फिर पाकिस्तान को दुबई में फिर एक बार हिंदुस्तान ने खदेड़ दिया है। मैं कहना चाहता हूं, पाकिस्तान, हिंदुस्तान तेरा बाप था, है और रहेगा।
डबल रिवेंज टेकन। सर, इस बार युवा पीढ़ी थी, हमने देखा शुभमन गिल हो, सूर्यकुमार यादव हो, लगातार बल्लेबाजी हुई, कितने संतुष्ट हैं इस युवा पीढ़ी से?
जी, हमने मिस किया है कोहली को, रोहित शर्मा को, जडेजा को, पर ये जो युवा पीढ़ी है इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा खेल दिखाया है, काबिल तारीफ है। अभिषेक शर्मा जिस तरह से उन्होंने शाहिन शाह अफरीदी को छक्के चौके आते ही बहुत मारा है।
सर, आप संतुष्ट हैं मैच से?
मैच से पूरा संतुष्ट है, लेकिन एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा, हम भारत के वासी हैं, प्रेम की भाषा जानते हैं, बट मैच का मैदान हो या जंग का मैदान हो, जीत हमेशा हमारी है. भारत
हमेशा हमारी है. That is, victory is always ours, and this is what the voices are coming in from across the states.
Absolutely, Nilesh. Of course, that's the overwhelming sentiment today. I'm also joined by Mr. Vedam Jaishankar, sports journalist at the moment. Mr. Jaishankar, quite a happy birthday for Suryakumar Yadav today, because the kind of day that he's had, but also whether it was our batting strength or Kuldeep Yadav taking those 3 wickets, extremely crucial, and the fact that we wanted that one-sided victory against Pakistan.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree with you. It's sort of a bittersweet victory that we've had today. When I say bitter, we really didn't want to play them. But we had to play them, but at the same time, we had to demolish them, and that we did. Yeah. And, when you look at this game, it looks like, a senior division team is playing against a 4th division team. That was the chasm between the two sides. And Pakistan, they are a team in the making, and there is no way that they can compete with the Indian team, because the Indian team looked like a finished product, whether they were batting, chasing, bowling, fielding. It looked like a finished product. And whereas the Pakistanis, they were like, bathed out in the woods. And it was very evident right from the beginning that they were in a different class, that they just didn't fit in. And, full marks, especially to the way the Indian team came. And they were not at all phased. They're so cool. And the way the batsmen went about it, or the bowlers went about it, or the fielders, the fielding was brilliant. Yeah. So I think all in all, we were too good for this Pakistan team.
All right, Mr. Vedam Jaishankar, thanks very much for joining us and sharing your thoughts about this match. Viewers, with that, it's time for a short break, but we will keep continuing getting you news and updates on Times Now.